Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to order online from Walmart. If you want to make an order online from Walmart, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open a web browser of your preference. Now, go to the URL box at the top and type in walmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you are signed into your Walmart account, and once you are in, go ahead and search for items you would like to order. You can choose from the categories displayed at the top of the screen and pick a product for yourself. To search for a specific product, you can type down the name of the product in the search box at the top of the screen. Once you search for the product, it will then show you the list of products you can choose from based on your search. Once you find the product you are interested in, click it open. In this page, you can review the product, look at the pictures and available videos for the product. Once you are done with everything, and if you are ready to buy, you can go to the right hand side of the screen, select the size for the product and other essentials. Select if you'd like to ship the account, pick it up, or ask to deliver it. Select the available options and then click on Buy Now. Review your order and select the quantity if necessary. Make sure to enter a payment method if you haven't yet by clicking on Add a Payment Method, and enter your payment details in the respective text boxes. You can also choose to pay with PayPal or Affirm. To pay with a card, enter the card number in the text box and click on Save Card. Once you are done with everything and after you are ready to place your order, click on Place Order at the bottom of the screen. Soon after you do that, you will be able to make an order on Walmart. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.